Hello students, I am Arsh, your class teacher of KG. I hope you all will be good student. Today I will teach you wild animals name. So let's read it. W R I T E. Write means लिखिए. F I V. Five means पाँच. WILD wild means जंगली. ANIMALS animals means जानवरों. NAME name means नाम. Write 5 wild animals name. 5 जंगली जानवरों के नाम लिखिए. TIGER tiger means cheetah. LION lion means शेर. BEAR bear means भालू. FOX means लोमड़ी. ELEPHANT means हाथी. एक बार फिर से रीड करेंगे, आप लोग भी साथ में रीड करेंगे. Write 5 wild animals name. Tiger means cheetah. Lion means शेर. Bear means भालू. Fox means लोमड़ी. Elephant means हाथी. And this is your homework. Write and learn wild animals name. Please complete your homework. We will meet tomorrow. Bye bye children. Take care you all and thank you.